Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Technics EAH-AZ60E headphones and I'm going to show you how to install its app for your Android phone. At first we have to go into Play Store. Then we have to go into search. In the search tab we have to search for Technics. And search. As you can see, Technics Audio Connect from Panasonic Entertainment and Communication Co. Ltd. You have to tap Install button. And it takes some time, so don't worry. It depends on your internet connection and phone quality. And as you can see, now our app is installing. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.